I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I want to take a few minutes and cut up some of this scrap metal. Well, it's not really scrap metal. I want to cut up the stuff that I brought home from Tractor Supply on the last trip so that I can get it stored away. Winter's coming. I got to get this garage cleaned out. I know I've been working on this for months. Every time I think I've made some gains, I bring more stuff home. I got to stop doing that, but then you got to strike where the iron is hot. So let's make some hot iron. There, we got it. just be difficult, why don't you? Well, I did manage to get all the steel cut apart. It's ugly looking, but you know, it's going to be scrap iron. I'm going to be turning it into other things, and I'll have to grind off a few pieces to make it do what I want to do. But this is raw material. I could just end up cutting off this whole end and never using it for anything other than a paperweight. I think the torch is going to be better. I was a little concerned that I was running low on gas, so I decided to go with a grinder, but I think the torch is going to be better. So we'll use the torch. It's outside work. Don't want to do that inside the garage here because, as you can see, I have flammable crap everywhere. So I got to get this job taken outside so I can do it in safety. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.